With Photoshop, we can use many tools to enhance, filter, and change photos or the mood a photo conveys. 3 such tools are brushes, styles, and patterns. To introduce these 3 tools, let's open, browse, and search libraries for the brushes, styles, and patterns included in Photoshop. With these and other tools, knowing what is pre-built could save time from building custom items, some of which can take hours to make. Let's look first at brushes, which look and feel like brushes artists use to paint. I have the 261 brushes file open, and we want to use a brush to brush out what looks like a boat. I will select Window, and then Brushes, to display the Brushes panel. We see libraries of brushes available to select a brush, as I will for this soft round brush. And notice the brush tool is selected automatically when we select a brush. I will set this size to 20 pixels. I will change the foreground color to match a piece of this ocean using the color picker. Then brush the boat to, in effect, erase it. Elsewhere in the course, we will cover other tools that might be more effective in replacing parts of photos. To discover other brushes, let's browse and search through these brush libraries for a moment. We have several libraries of brushes, and I encourage you to try some of them. Lastly, let's search for a brush. I will place the cursor in the search field and type pencil to look for pencil brushes. We have 2 such brushes, so if we want a brush to look like a pencil, we can choose one of these pencil options.